In this video, I'm going to show you the answer to the Got It number 1 for lesson 6.3, solving systems of equations by graphing. Okay, remember the objective is we're going to solve systems by graphing the two equations and finding the point of intersection. That was the key concept, that the solution is the point of intersection. Okay, so remember, before you watch this video, you should have tried the Got It number 1. That way you know whether you really understand it or not. Okay, so we have two equations in our system. Graph each equation and determine the solution of the system of linear equations, which is the point of intersection. So let's take our two equations, y equals 3x minus 1, right? And y equals x plus 5. Okay, we have to graph each separately. So let's look at our first one, y equals 3x minus 1. Remember, the steps to graphing an equation in slope-intercept form is we plot the y-intercept first. You should have thought to yourself that -1 is the y-intercept, because there's a minus sign. You keep the sign in front of the number. Okay, so we go on our y-axis, and you should have plotted -1. And then we need our slope, which in this case is the number with the x is 3. That's not a rise over a run, so you should have put that over 1, and now you have the rise is 3 and the run is 1. So you're going to start from your y-intercept. You're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, plot a point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, plot a point. Maybe you want to do one more. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. Okay, extend it on the left side of the y-axis just in case the point of intersection of the two lines is down here. So you're going to do the opposite. You're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to the left. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to the left. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to the left. Now you have some points on your line. Let's okay, take your straight edge there. Make sure it lines up all the points. Okay, your line should be going through all of them. Extend it pretty far on the graph because you never know where the other line is going to lie here. So our other equation is y equals x plus 5. Let's graph that to be able to find the solution, the point of intersection. First step, let's find the y-intercept. The number not with the x here is 5. Okay. And then the slope, you should have thought to yourself, okay, well, it's the number with the x, but there isn't one, so let's put an imaginary 1 there. So the slope is 1. Make it into a rise over a run. The rise is 1, and the run is 1. Okay, now let's graph our equation. So first we're going to plot the y-intercept at 5, which is on the y-axis. So we're going to go up to the number 5 and plot the point. All right, our slope is positive 1. We're going to rise 1 and we're going to run 1. So starting from the y-intercept, we're going to go up 1 over 1, plot a point. Up 1 over 1, plot a point. Rise 1, run 1, up. There's the point of intersection. That's where our line is going to cross the other line. Okay, we'll plot a couple more points. Go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, and we'll plot a couple more on the left side, even though we already found our point of intersection. You're going to go down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1, right? Again, you'll know that you plotted the correct line when all the points lie on a straight line because it is a linear equation. All right, line up your straight edge for your graph. All right, and that is right here Where the lines crossed, here's the point of intersection. So let's get the ordered pair for there. We went over 3 and up 8. So the solution is 3, 8. That's your ordered pair, which means 3, 8, your x and your y value, when plugged into both of these equations, it'll be a solution to both. It'll work in both. Okay, now I want you to watch the video for example number 2. We have one more example.